In this video, I'm going to take you through a simple 2-page financial assessment. Now, don't run on me. This is in the spirit of helping you to get more profitable and build a more valuable business. If you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com, and that's exactly why I make these videos, because I'm passionate about helping owners get more profitable, reducing the chaos in the business, and building something they can sell for a lot of money someday when they decide it's time to move on. So today I got a call from one of my sons who's away at college, and I told him that I'd be shooting some videos today. And he said, well, out of all the videos you're going to shoot, what are you most passionate about? And it's this one. And it's this one because it's such a tough industry, right? And I always say we might as well be as profitable as we possibly can. And that's exactly what I want to help you with today. So I've broken things down, financially speaking, into 5 different sections. I'm going to run you through the assessment, and then I want you to download the assessment, take it yourself. It'll take you less than 5 minutes, and then you can share it with me, book a call, and we'll talk through it at no charge, and you'll come away with a little bit of a game plan. All right? So the first section is all about foundation. You need to have a basic financial understanding of terms. And I'm not trying to turn anybody into an accountant, but when I started my business, for the first year and a half, I was really in the dark about my finances. And finally, the pain was so great that I had to do something about it. And this is where it started. So, do you understand cost of goods sold, net profit, gross profit, your balance sheet, your AR, all these different kind of basic building blocks? The second section is getting the structure in place, getting your accounting system, which is probably QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online, getting it set up so that the information going into it is going in a way that you can get meaningful data in reports, which we'll get to. The third is all about getting that bookkeeping discipline down, that routine, so that the data that you need is going into QuickBooks on a regular basis. Daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, annually, what things need to happen on a regular basis. The fourth section is where things really start to get exciting, because now you've got meaningful reports. You can run reports, you can run P&Ls for the company and understand what's going on and know that it's accurate data. You can run job costing reports. If you're not doing job costing, we have to talk about that. Huge opportunity there. You can run reports based on individual field personnel, individual production managers, and get great, accurate data. This is where you can really start to strategize, figure out what's working, what's not working, and figure out what needs to be fixed in the business, again, in the spirit of becoming more profitable. And you can also do things like incentivize team members to perform financially in a way that's helpful to them and also the company. The last section is about protecting yourself in the business financially from mistakes and from dishonesty. Okay, so I know that was a lot in a short period of time. Click the link below this video, download that assessment, complete it, either email me or just book a call with me. We'll talk through it, and I promise you, you'll come away with a plan to start making progress in this area, and then you won't have to be in the dark about your finances anymore. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.